Hello students, a very good morning to all the students. So students, we are going through different properties of material and we have already completed till number 5, that is different states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. So today we are going to start with a new one, that is floating and sinking. So students, we need to understand what is floating and what is sinking. So first you need to take a coin and a leaf. So put them in a beaker half filled with water. So what do you observe? So students, in order to understand floating and sinking, first we need to take a coin and a leaf. So you can see this is a coin, this is a leaf. So put them in the beaker with half filled water. This is a half filled water in a beaker. So what do you observe? You observe that the coin sink in the water while the leaf float on it. So you can see this is a coin which is sinking in the water and this is a leaf which is floating on the leaf. Coin is heavier than water, that is why it sinks in water. So students, we all know that the heavier thing always sink in the water. As the coin is heavy, so it is sinking in the water and the leaf is light and it is floating on the water. So I hope it is clear to you. So students, now we are going to understand about activity 8. For that you need a stone, iron nails, a plastic ball, a piece of wood, a wax piece and a few drops of honey. So you need to find out which of these float on water and which of these sink. So students, you just need to find out whether stone, iron nails, plastic ball, piece of wood and a wax piece and a few drops of honey floats or they sink in water. You just need to find out which one float and which one sink. And also check what happens when you place this material in another liquid like oil. So here it is also said that you can also take water in place of oil, but that is not required. If you want to perform this activity, you just try to find out it in the water itself. Okay, you take water and put stone, you see whether the stone floats or not, or you take iron nail in the same way, or a plastic ball or a piece of wood. Okay, so if you want to perform, you can perform it. You don't need to take another liquid. Okay, so students, now we are moving on to the next one, that is transparency. So for that you need to hold a glass tumbler in front of your eyes. So students, simply you can hold a glass which is made of glass in front of your eyes. See through it. You need to see through that glass. So you can see all the objects through it. So students, we know that we can see all the object through a glass. So the materials through which we can see the object clearly are known as transparent materials. So students, the materials through which we can see all the object is known as transparent material, and this property of material is called transparency. So students, the property of material is known as transparency. So glass is a transparent material. So you know glass is a transparent material. So you can see in the picture. So this one you can see glass which is transparent. That means we can see through the glass. So some other example of transparent materials are water, alcohol, air, cellophane paper. So some kind of plastic bottles are also transparent. So students, like glass, we also can see through water, through alcohol or air or the cellophane paper, and also some kinds of plastic bottles are also transparent. Okay. So students, science update has been given here. A team of scientists has developed a coating for ordinary glass that make it self-cleaning, more transparent, slippery, tough and scratch resistant, ensuring its durability in all conditions. Huge amount of money and energy could be saved by not having the need to clean glass object frequently. So students, a team of scientists has developed a coating for ordinary glass, and with the help of that coating, it will help the glass to self-clean and also more transparent, more slippery, more tough and scratch resistant, and in all the possible way they are more durable than the other glass. So if the scientists develop such coating of ordinary glass, then huge amount of money and energy could have been saved if we do not have to clean the glass frequently. So students, if we do not have to clean the glass object frequently, then definitely huge amount of money as well as energy could be saved. Okay. So next you see, hold a cardboard in front of your eyes. So this girl in the picture B, she is holding a cardboard in front of her eyes. Can you see through it? So if we hold a cardboard in front of our eyes, so can we see things? No, you cannot. So students, we cannot see things with the help of cardboard. So the material through which we cannot see the object are known as opaque material. So this is a transparent material through which we can see other object, and this is an opaque material because we cannot see the object through them. Okay. So this property of material is called opaqueness. So students, the material through which we cannot see the object are called opaque material, and this property of material is known as opaqueness. Metals, book and wood are some example of opaque material. So students, we cannot see object through a metal, we also cannot see object through a book, and we also cannot see object with the help of a wood. So they are known as opaque material. We keep our things in closed iron almirah so that they cannot be seen. So students, an iron almirah is also an example of opaque material. So why do we keep our things in closed iron almirah? Why? Because they cannot be seen. So students, iron almirah is a thing that is made with the help of iron. As it is an opaque material, so we cannot see through them. Okay. So shopkeepers usually prefer to keep biscuits, sweets and other eatables in transparent glass jar and transparent plastic containers so that the buyer can easily see this item. So students, I hope you understood this. So students, hold a butter paper in front of your eyes. So students, what you need to do is, you need to hold a butter paper in front of your eyes just like a girl is holding it in this way. So you can see partially through it. So students, in a transparent glass we can see properly, very accurately. In an opaque object we cannot see, but in a butter paper we will be able to see partially through it. The materials through which we can see the object partially are known as translucent material. So what is translucent material? The materials through which we can see the object partially. Okay. And this property of the material is known as translucency. Butter paper is a translucent material. Grounded glass, frosted glass, tissue paper, dust-laden air, fog and mist are other translucent material. So students, these are the example of other translucent materials. So I hope it is clear to you. With this we complete our chapter. So thank you and have a good day.